Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh hi, I'm Ardio Francisco from class 5 Electrical Engineering. Here I will explain job 5.3 from the lab view instrument engineering module. In this circuit, we are detect temperature. There is a current temperature, a maximum temperature, and a minimum temperature. What is a temperature warning? Well, here us explain. If we set the maximum temperature to 100 and the minimum to 35 and the current temperature is 55, then the weather data out will display a no warning indicator. If the current temperature is 100, the indicator will light up and become a heat stroke warning, indicating that the current temperature is hot. And if the current temperature is 25, the indicator will display a freeze warning, meaning that the current temperature is cold. Well, maybe that's all I can say about temperature warning. Well, next my friend M. Surya Ramadansa will explain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. My name is Pak Surya Ramadansa from 5EL class. So today I will show you about the explanation of the temperature warnings block diagram. So the figure above shows the left view blocks diagram used to generate temperature warnings based on the input weather data. This program determines whether the current condition is too hot or heat stroke warning, too cold or freeze warning, or normal, no warning. Okay, we go to the first. The first one is input data or weather data in. The weather data in block is an input cluster that contains three data elements. The first one is current temperature or the present temperature. The second one is max temperature or the upper temperature limit. And the last one is minimum temperature or the lower temperature limit. This cluster is unbundled using the unbundle by name block, allowing each of these three values to be accessed individually for comparison operation. Okay, after unbundling the temperatures data, two main comparison processes are carried out. The first one is hot temperature checks. The current temperature is compared with the max temperature using the greater or equal block. If the result is true, or the meaning the current temperature is more than or equal to maximum temperature, the program output shows the heat stroke warning. If false, the temporary output is showing no warning. The second one is cold temperature check. The current temperature is also compared with the minimum temperature using the less or equal blocks. If the result is true, or the meaning the current temperature is less than or equal to minimum temperature, the output is showing freeze warning. If false, the output remains no warning. Okay, the difference from the first one and the second one is the block. If the first one is using greater or equal block, and the second one is using less or equal block, just like that. Okay, the result from both comparison paths are combined to produce the final output text. If the temperature is high, it's showing heat stroke warning. If the temperature is low, it shows freeze warning. And if the temperature is normal, it's showing no warning. Okay. The last one is the weather data out block function as the output cluster containing warning or a Boolean value, true if there is a warning, false if not. And then I will explain you about the conclusion. The temperature warning performs the following function. The first one is reads temperature data from the input cluster. The second one is compares it with the predefined maximum and minimum threshold. The third one is generates an appropriate warning message. And the last one is outputs both a Boolean warning flag and a text description. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.